drop top time here. 1965 Chevrolet Impala Convertible. Nice looking two-door. Now this particular car, $396 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. I'm going to go ahead, come up close to this front bumper and grills. You can take a look at condition. Paint on this has a fresher repaint. Well, you find a few imperfections here and there if you look around it, yes, but not one you have to be ashamed of to take to any of your local cruise-ins, any of your local shows. Color on this one, Danube Blue, which is the original color this would have came in from Chevrolet back in 1965. Now, if you want to take a look at the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, check out the engine bay, the interior. You'll be able to look at every angle of this car. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on BF Goodrich radial TAs, rally style wheels, nice little chrome center cap and beauty rings. Take a look up and down the side of this car too. Paint has a nice luster to it. See the reflection of the wall behind me. By the way, Danube Blue was an E code. Paint in the interior would be 836, which is blue, so also still carrying the original color interior this would have came with. As you can see, front bench seat, shifter on the column. Does have a little aftermarket AM/FM, more modern radio in it with cassette player. I have had the radio working, works fine. Wipers work on this one also. Power top works. Top is white vinyl. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust coming out of that 396. Let's take a close look at this rear bumper for you. Chrome seems to be very presentable on this car. Bright work. Appears to be the original taillights also. They do show a little bit of age on top of them, but not bad at all. There you can see the reflection of the ceiling and the corner of the building there. Sign in the background. So again, paint has a nice luster to it. Go ahead and take a look up and down this driver's side. Again, see the people's reflection in the paint there. Give you a look at the interior from the driver's side. Doesn't appear to be full of rips or much for wear at all. No tears. Seat belts up front. I have pictures on the website, I should say, of the carpet. But there is floor mats in there now. Carpet was in nice shape. Darker blue, matches the exterior of the car. You can see underneath the doors, they got pictures there. Appears to be solid. Take a look for yourself. See what you come up with. Now, as far as the dash, yes, there is a dash pad on here, and I did notice on some of the spots in the center, right here, there is a crack. So the dash does show its age a little bit, and also a few pictures of that too. So someone has put a dash pad on there. There are a couple cracks. Is it in terrible shape? No, but I want to make you aware of that there is a crack in there. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Here it run. 396 fires right up. And again, had the wipers working. Did have the stereo working. That was fine. Other than that, the dash pretty much appears to be in stock condition, the way it would have came from Chevy. It does have a couple speakers that were mounted down below, rather than cut up the door panels, I suppose. Alright, let's slip around to the back so you can hear this run. We're also going to take a look underneath the hood, and then we'll put up the top so you can check that out. Get a good look at it all. Nice sounding car. So turn some heads, the way it looks and the way it sounds. slip up here to the front. I'm going to pause this a second and pop this hood. Take a look at that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
$396, a V8 Chevy powered, power steering, power brakes. Little chrome dress up underneath there for the valve covers. Nice looking engine bay, nice and tidy. Nice equipment on the car, underside of the hood. Also looks good. Alright, so there's the engine bay. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off a second. Close up that hood and let's push up or put up the top so you can check that out. We have the top up here now, and definitely not the original top, has been replaced along the way somewhere. And again, it is vinyl as far as the material on it. And as you can see, free of rips, tears that I have noticed so far here. It does have a rear glass window over plastic. And this would tame down once it's out in the sun and heated up some. That's mostly from being down either in storage or in our showroom here. Go around to the passenger side. It would serve its purpose. You need it to keep you dry. Get caught in a little rainstorm or quick downpour. It's going to keep you dry. Definitely not a problem there. Again, free of rips, tears, holes. How many times you can have the top up on this car? Come summer when it's nice out. So there you go, 1965 Chevrolet Impala 2-door convertible. Nice looking car in Danube blue, $396 underneath the hood, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. We can check out the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.